are not filled for nothing. You are filled to manifest. Feeling of the Holy Spirit of God upon your life in the revelation of the presence of power of God upon you. That day is the day you are commissioned as a child of God to fly.
There is a river whose streams make it glad the city of the Lord.
You know that you are not ordinary.